How to create a game pass in Roblox. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, you need to go to the Google Play Store of your phone, and on the top search bar you can simply search for Roblox. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Roblox. If you have already done so, then open your Roblox now. After you open your Roblox, you will see a screen like this. Now among here, you need to tap on the very create option right here. So it will open a browser like this. Now after it turns here, you can simply go to the Google Chrome and also open your browser. So make sure you have monetized your Roblox game to use this method, otherwise it won't be solved. Now go on the top left corner with 3 vertical lines there. Now here you will see the very options of creations. Tap on the creations option, tap on show public only, tap on show archived, and everything here. Now what you can do is go upside now, again do that. Now you can just go on the top left side, again go on that side. Now if you have monetized it, then you will see the very option of monetization, and among the monetization you will see the very option of pass. When you tap on it, you will see all the pass right there, and you can just create your pass, but you need to pay some coins for that. And after paying the coins, you can create your own pass in the Roblox. So do follow the steps and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.